Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Well, we got ourselves something cool. Check it out. You don't want to miss this video. Man, Arrma, you guys did awesome. Here it is. The Arrma Mojave Grom. This bad boy is small, but she definitely packs a punch. Here's what she's got. All Allen, so easy to get to. Four-wheel drive. Quick release body mechanism, which I'll show you guys out here in a minute. Man, this thing's cool. Only bad thing is this thing's brushed, but that's okay with me. For right now, at least. ESC receiver combo. So, nah, that's okay. Oil-filled shock so you guys can work on this. Definitely get it set up to your likings. And the price, man, oh my lord. This thing's $150. I picked this up at my local hobby store. And look at this. Full metal drivetrain. Not in plastic stuff. Man. This thing's loaded. Let's see. It's a 380 28 turn brushed motor. You got your hex wrench included. Trying to go over everything with you. This thing comes ready to run. Battery and everything, guys. Man. Look at the detail on this thing. And there it is, guys. Look at the detail. I know I just said that on that picture, but looking at it face to face, man, this thing is cool. Look at that suspension. All oil filled. Very defined. Driver. Passenger. Man, this thing's got it all, dude. Look at the back end. This thing is cool, cool, cool. Don't just bash, blast. And how you guys get the body off on these things, see these, there's a button here and there's a button on the other side in the same spot. You push both of them and the body comes right off. Just like this. Look at that. Man, Arrma definitely outdid themselves. Man, enough talking about this thing. Let's go ahead and get ripping on this thing. And as promised, guys, time to rip it. You can brush this thing pretty fast. I think we need to rip this on a little bit of jumps.